Hi everyone, it's another video from NCC Modular Cabinet. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for more videos uploaded. At this time, I'm gonna show you how to put concealed hinges into aluminum profile. On our first part video, I show you there how to install or assembly the aluminum profile. And now, to complete all this part, I have a short video on how to install easily to our profile.
So what are you waiting for? Let's go!
On this part of this video, I'm using 35mm also repairing for our hinges. Now I'm using portable drill with 1/8 size of drill bit for the screw.